Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mike. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day today. And in today's video, we'll be talking about the Gemfan 51466 Moonlight LED props, the ones that I have right here and the ones that you saw in the intro. Speaking about the intro, if you guys have enjoyed today's intro, do me a huge favor, hit the like button, maybe share the video with some of your friends. It really helps me out, and that's the #1 way to help my channel grow and to help me share my videos with more people so more people can see them, because recently YouTube has been really weird and it seems that not many of my subscribers actually get to see the videos I post, which is a huge bummer. So if you want to help me out, please do me a favor, help the YouTube algorithm by liking the video, maybe sharing it, subscribe, you know, all the good stuff. It really helps me out. So basically these are 51466 props, the same as the usual props that they have. However, these ones have little pockets for batteries, where you should put 2 batteries in each prop, and some other things that I will mention in a couple of seconds. So they are a little bit heavier compared to the original 51466 props. Of course, it makes sense because you put batteries inside. However, the price is almost double of the original ones. So the price of the original props is about $3 for a pack of 4 props, and here the price is about $6 for a pack of 4 colored props in a color of your choice. In the package you get almost everything you need to power on these props and install them on your quad, besides batteries. You don't get batteries inside the package. I guess it's normal for such a product. However, you do need to purchase your own batteries. Not to worry though, because these batteries are very cheap. You can buy them from pretty much anywhere, and I'll link the ones that I bought in the description below if you want to check them out. You can also see inside the instruction card, which is inside each pack of props, you can see which batteries exactly you need to buy. Because they are very specific in terms of size, and you need to get the right ones. Once again, everything will be linked in the description if you want to buy some of these batteries or the props themselves. So inside the package you get 4 props of the color you chose. You also get 4 FPC boards, which is kind of like the LED color of the prop you chose. You also get 8 pairs of copper sheets, 4 gaskets and 1 battery removal pin. The installation is pretty straightforward. You need to insert the FPC light facing upwards inside one of these little holes of the props and push it inside so it can stay horizontal. You need to press it a couple of times with your fingers until it clicks. Then what you need to do is put 2 copper sheets in the battery grooves of the prop, so it basically acts like a pocket for the batteries. You need to line them up correctly so they face inwards, and then you can insert the batteries. You need 2 batteries for each prop, meaning that you'll have to buy at least 8 batteries to power on your 4 props. Finally, you need to push down on the gasket, which is like a cap for all that system, so it can stay inside locked and it doesn't move and go anywhere. And then finally you need to tighten the nuts of your props, and because of that pressure they will be powered on automatically. And if you want to power the props off, all you need to do is untighten the props a little bit so there is no pressure on them and they will turn off. It's really a cool, neat system. The tricky part is to not forget that last part, how to turn them off, and also to not forget that now your props are a bit untightened, so you need to tighten them back up when you want to fly, but it really takes 10 seconds for everything. So this is how the drone looks like when all the props are powered on. Right now there's a lot of lighting around me, so they don't look too bright, but trust me, in a darker room they do light up the whole room. They're really interesting and also very colorful, very saturated, and as soon as you turn on the drone they make all of these light streaks, which are really impressive and very great looking. So for me, this definitely is not for everyday use, even if you can fly with these during daytime. Personally, I don't want to waste my batteries flying during the daytime, because these are really powerful during the night, or at least maybe when it's starting to get dark outside. these would be ideal for those situations. Like I said, I already have a couple of creative photo and video ideas that I want to execute as soon as the weather gets a little bit warmer, because right now it's about -10 during the night, so it's not ideal to experiment with lighting when it's really cold and you need a ton of different tries to make what you have in mind work. Anyway, these are the props. They are fantastic, very high quality, just like the usual 466 props from Gemfan. My favorite color out of all of these has to be the blue one. It's really well saturated and looks very impressive in person. And I think everyone should give these a try if they're trying to spice up the look of their drone, if they're looking for a different experience when they fly. These definitely get a lot of attention, so if you're able to fly at night where you live, give them a go and see what you think about them afterwards. Let me know in the comment section as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video about the Moonlight LED props by Gemfan. Thank you, Gemfan, for sending them out to me so I can test them. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share with your friends if you have enjoyed it. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.